welcome back to my channel and another video. Charlotte Lyra here. For those of you that are visiting my channel for the first time, thank you so much for dropping by. On this channel, I talk about curly hair and tips of how to maintain it beautiful. I also do curly hair products reviews. Occasionally, I give beauty tips including a few basic makeup tutorials. I will show you guys what I do during my workout routines and much more. I will do a little of everything for you guys. For you curlies that have been around for a while, thank you so much for sticking around. Your support means so much to me and I will be forever grateful for all of your love. For all of you that are just starting to watch my videos, I invite you to stay in touch by subscribing to my channel. And how can they subscribe, SharlCurls? Hey mini-me, want to show them how to do it? Look for the subscribe button that look like this one. Or put your mouse pointer over here. And then click subscribe. Is that easy? Hey mini, remind them to click the notification bell. Oh yes, remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when new videos are posted. I will be sharing a lot of content with you guys. Please continue to show that love by continuing to like, commenting, and sharing my videos with your friends. Thank you again. Remember to love yourself, love your curls, much love. SharlCurls. See you in another video. Bye.